I've got with me. Hi. Ah, my GPS is screaming at me. We're gonna go ride over. We got a long ride. We got like a 40-mile ride. We're gonna go ride with the Pinellas County guys today. So we got to ride all the way to the other side from Tampa over to Clearwater, Pinellas area. Zipping pretty good. We're going 70. We got 42 minutes, 33 miles. We've gone about, I don't know, 8 miles so far. Getting ready to get off at the West Tampa get off section here. Again, like I said, we got a long ride. I know, GPS. I know. I got it. I can see the directions. Take this ramp. Blah, 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 blah. All right. Well, again, we have a long rip, so we'll turn it back on once we get to Pinellas side. But it's gorgeous today. It should be a beautiful ride. It's nice. Oh my gosh, this GPS. It's nice and cool out right now. It's going to get to like 94 and feels like 105 today, so it's going to get hot. So we planned for this. It's going to get hot. All right, everybody, we're doing a walk around. Tom, get over here. You got to smile at the camera. Tom's like, no, he's doing things. All right, let's do a quick walk around. We got a lot of rides here today. Let's get these on cam for you guys. Yeah. I'm the only sport bike here today. That's all right. Ah, sexy machines. Yeah, look at the ruckus. Oh, it's a tough boy ruckus. I like it. I like it. Oh, yeah. Ruckus life, baby. Oh. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yeet. Got the crew. Got the whole crew. Hey, Jerry. Flat Earth theory happens today.
I changed my spark plug. I changed everything. Yeah, that's and
Deuces. Let's go, baby.
Oh, that's cool.
See him? Big old alligator. Yeah. Right there.
Hey, buddy! There's another one right there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so fucking cool.
Wow. I've never been to this park. This is a really nice park. She's ready. She's ready to go. She's ready to go. Hi, babe. Hi. Hi. Got the crew. They're stopping to get drinks real fast. What's that? Ferrari. Sounds pretty good. I like it. Yeah, Ferrari life. Let's see what the front looks like. Ah, it's pretty clean. A little old school, pretty clean. Wow, that thing is god-awful loud though. Alright, pulling in for the restaurant here. I'm going to let everybody park and then we'll figure out a parking spot. Nice, this is what's left of the crew. We all gonna fit in there? I don't know. Guess we'll find out. Okay. Wow, this is nice. I like it by the water. Sweetheart? No. Beautiful. Yep. Oh. Oh, I like this. So that's where we're going right there?
Here, you get it.
Yep. I will grab the bag. Thank you. All right. Cool. I think so, and the bikes are way over there. There's the bikes in the back of the parking lot. Food time. Baby. Oh, they did them waffle style too. Oh. Oh. Are they good? Are they good? Nice. No, I'm okay. Alright, jalapeno cheese. I have to try one, huh? Okay.
Buying all these electronics.
Yeah, as I suspected, they taste like sweet potato fries.
Yum!
How is it?
Yeah.
How's the sweet potatoes?
I just want to say happy Memorial Day to everybody. Shout outs to everybody today that came out on the ride, had a great time. We really enjoyed ourselves, and I know she was really happy. Very accommodating, everybody that took us out today and wanted to have some fun with us. You guys were super accommodating. Thank you for being amazing people. We had an absolute blast. Everybody throughout the entire day was super accommodating to me and the girlfriend. And she's very thankful, so am I. We had a great time. We weren't expecting half of the stuff that happened, so it was amazing. So cheers to all of you. We're riding back to Tampa now. We've got a 1 hour ride. There was a huge rain that came through, and it peppered us over where we were at, so we had to kind of wait it out. So now we're kind of heading home after dark, but we had a great time. She had a blast. I know she did. She's very hungry though. She's got a craving for pizza rolls right now, so we're gonna stop and get some pizza rolls. So we're driving back to Tampa right now. Cruising 70 on the highway, about to cross over the bridge. We can't even see the water right now. Might be able to see downtown Tampa, but I doubt you guys will on camera. So I'm gonna call it here. Happy Memorial Day to everybody. Hope you had a good time. Thank a service member. Seriously, thank a service member. You have freedom because they gave it to you. That's the reality of it. So make sure to thank a service member. So, and remember the people that have died, for sure. 100%. That's what this is about. It's not about your cookout. It's not about your family get together. It's about remembering people who died so that you had freedom in this country. Don't ever forget that. So, alrighty, guys. Catch you on the flip. Toodles.